These are the meatballs we all grew up with, and this is what they should have been.
So today, I'm gonna upgrade Swedish meatballs.
Same idea, better technique. More care, more flavor. Because meatballs deserves respect. And yes, it's gonna get hot.
Let's cook.
Here the goal is simple. Juicy inside, browned outside. I'm using about 70% beef and 30% pork. Not so much fat, but if we keep the mixture light and airy, we will get soft and juicy meatballs. Flavor doesn't come from one thing, it comes from layers. Onion, patience. Seasoning, care. Here is a trick to get that rich and deep flavor into the meatballs. Sauté the onion in lots of butter before adding it into the mixture. We don't want big raw onion bits in our meatballs. It should taste really salty. Like some of you might know, I can't eat egg. But this recipe don't need eggs to get juicy or bind the meatballs together. It works just fine without. Once they are halfway done, they can tolerate a bit higher heat to get them browned and crispy on the outside. But these meatballs deserves respect. So no high heat at the start. We don't want to burn them. Patience is the key here as well. Medium-high heat at the start to brown them all around. Now we come to a big part of the upgrade, the sauce. But don't do like me, you'll soon see why. Remove the meatballs and into the pan goes 1 chopped onion. Add some brandy and flambé if you feel safe with that. This is where I go wrong in 2 steps. I'm adding too much flour and then too much liquid too fast, which makes the whole sauce lumpy. You can always pass it through a sieve. But to save time, add less flour and don't add all liquid at one time. Some lingonberries, just mix them up with sugar and let it dissolve. Perfectly sweet and sour, just like this cucumber. Vinegar, sugar, water and parsley upgrades this cucumber in seconds. And the mashed potato, pass it through a sieve and a bit of milk and a lot of butter to take it to that restaurant level upgrade. Nothing wrong with level 1, but sometimes you upgrade.